Okay, so trade update. Wait, hold on. Today is November 23, Saturday 2024, and I traded in AUD CAD, and yeah, as you can see, it did go down. It went for a 1 to 3, but the problem was I blew it. Uh, I blew my account. I do not know why, but I guess might. I guess it has to do with my leverage. I think I over leveraged, and it it completely stopped me out at this point, at this line over here. It wasn't didn't even go full. It didn't even go all the way, and just went here, and I got stopped out. I got stopped out. I blew my account, and I can never use the 5K account again. Hey, yeah, that was so annoying. Like, I even had this breakthrough, this engulfment, this bearish engulfment, but it did not work because it went up first. It went to the area of interest, continued to the area of interest first, and I got stopped out. And then after that, just went all the way, went down all the way. Well, not all the way, but like, you get my point. And yeah, I kind of feel annoyed from this. So I blew my account, blew my 5K account, and it is funded, so I blew it. I'm kind of irritated by that. And yeah, but I guess the positive thing here is that I'm now able to profit. Like, I can see myself getting profits, break evens, and to be honest, for the 5K account, it was supposed to just be a break even, but as you can see, uh, it is a, how do you call this? A prop firm account. It is not a live one, but a prop firm account, and I do have to follow their rules, and their rules states that their their max drawdown will be trailed for 6%. So they're gonna trail it, and the maximum loss I could ever get is 6%. That's it. Once I get that, no more. Just uh, they'll close my account, and then yeah, that's what happened to me, and I kind of feel sad about it. But now though, I am starting to see some profits. I am starting to see myself get into break even profits, and not like on a drawdown. That's that's the good part. That's the good thing. That's the good thing. And I just need to continue on this. And I'm happy for that, man. I'm actually starting to see the light of this road. I'm actually starting to see the light of this darkness, of this cave. And yeah, I'm happy about it. So for 2 years, I'm finally starting to see the lights. I'm finally starting to get break even, to profit, and I just need to continue that way. And the aha moment for me was that I just needed to be confident in my trades, because my trades were actually pretty good. where I set up my area of interest, my structures, my time frames, and whether I sell or buy. It depends on the time frame and where it's going to go. And yeah, I'm happy for that. I just needed to be confident in my trades and be patient, because since I am trading in the 4 hours, it needs to take more time than usual. Needs to take like, wait, hold on. Okay, it needs to take like a whole day to even just have my have my uh how do you call this? I forgot how you call it. This position to either hit my stop loss or take profit. Mm, I guess I guess not being confident and not being patient enough to just hold my trades and be disciplined enough to not add anymore, or not be greedy, or just have a small lot size to where I wouldn't really care if it goes down, if I lose it or not. I guess those were the only things that was holding me back. If I actually did not have that, if I was actually just confident, I was patient, I was disciplined, I was not greedy, I wouldn't get FOMO or any other thing, then I would have probably just became profitable, or like started to get break even and even be profitable in just like what, less than 3 months. 3 months should be like less than 3 months, so the max is 3 months. But yeah, I guess that's all for today. Oh yeah, I do still have the 2.5k account, and I took another trade here as well. It did go down. I actually caught this trade. So once it went here, it blew my 5k account. Then I used my 2.5k account to get in here and have my stop loss at this. Oops. Have my stop loss at this point at the top of this, like more of it at the top, and then I placed it like somewhere here in this, yeah, somewhere here. I got it, and it went all the way down. It went all the way down, and I had like 1 to 2, 1 to 2.7, but I wanted to just hold it even more, just hold it till the end of this structure, or the end of this structure, because it is in a rounded number, and I guess there's something about the psychological number that the market does to hit it. And yeah, and I figured that it would retest at this point, at this area right here, at that area, and just retest from there and go back down. But it did not really do that. It went all the way up. I was at a drawdown. I was actually like scared of it. I was scared that it would just hit my stop loss, since I've already hit my 5k, since I've already blown my 5k account. I just waited for like a bit of no, I waited for the next candle, and it was this one. And when it was like going up. I think it was at like what? Yeah, like that point. Like that point at 0.77. I just closed it, and yeah, I kind of missed it. I kind of missed the engulfment right here, but it did have a rejection here, and it didn't really go. So it's going to the other side. So it's reversing, and I just closed it at this point right here. I got like $18. I was risking 25, 30, between 25 or 30, and yeah, that was bad. I wanted to just I was like I was okay with risking my profits into all the way at this end, or even at this part, to have a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. And only reason because I wanted to do that is because of the daily and the weekly, or not the weekly, but the daily time frame, having this retracement, getting rejected from there, and getting rejected from the bottom as well. And I thought it would still go down, and it would break this structure right here and completely head to the downside. Trying, like, retracing at this wick is what I was thinking, but it didn't happen. Maybe it might happen in the next week, because it is currently Saturday. I closed my trade, since I'm also not allowed to hold my trades in the weekend. I just closed it, and yeah, that's it. That's all for my trade update. That's all. And I might not trade. I'm not sure. Might not trade this week, or even the next week as well. I'll just be waiting to withdraw my profits. I'll either risk less to still trade, or I would just wait for my countdown to refresh, so that I could get a withdrawal and get my payout. And I'll use that payout for my live account. I'll fund my live account, and I will just trade there, so that I wouldn't really have to follow with any rules, though I will have to risk a little less, probably like $25 or 20 or even 10. But no, to be honest, I'll just risk $25. That's it. But yeah, guess that's all for today. I have to go now. Bye.